Today we're testing out the Moprobo M2 TURBO. This thing is super cool. Just wait till you see what it can do. I'm excited. Roll it on our cleaning wheel. Let's see. So this cleans out the trash. So first impressions, this vacuum pushes itself and it's actually super quiet. I don't know, we'll find out. Ooh, the turning ratio is wonderful. Yeah, it's a vacuum.
That's actually a really nice one.
And look how it turns. It's very silent. I like that. Mom, it just picked up that spoon. Look. Watch, it opens its mouth.
Where's it going?
That is nice. Really impressed. The turning on it's amazing. Yeah, it walks itself. Oh, don't get the paper. And then you empty this. Look, Mom. You just take this out.
Dump it.
And you put this in the trash, and there's your dirty water.
Wow.
That's pretty cool. And you just dump all that good stuff in there. Ready? Go ahead, Ray. That's pretty good. Now Hazel's bringing us a diaper.
Tyler, wait!
No. We're not doing it again. Okay? That's pretty cool.
Do this.
Alright, get over there.
Really stiff.
Wow.
Try those.
Did a very good job cleaning. One thing I love about this machine is how quiet it is. I can literally vacuum and mop this with my sweet little girl sleeping.
Starting cleaning, please check the fresh water tank. started. Press the trigger to start self-cleaning. Starting self-cleaning. Please check the fresh water tank.
One thing Moprobo did is they made this machine pipe free, so there's no clogs, which means there's no hidden odors. So all you need to do is rinse this out and start the cleaning cycle, and then it will automatically dry as well. The company was definitely thoughtful when it came to convenience. I love that I can be so busy and just clean and go. Look how good it did. Every single part of this machine actually comes apart so that you can clean it and let it air dry too. Overall, I'm super impressed with this vacuum. I think it is an incredible addition to any person that has to sweep up all the time, but you don't want to bring out your broom and your mop. It is like the perfect duo. I also love that it feels heavy duty enough that my kids can just go walk over there, press a button, and clean up whatever spill or whatever mess they make. So that part is super cool. So I wanted to say thank you to Moprobo for giving me this vacuum and letting me try it and test it out for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you think of the vacuum. So I should be getting a discount code for you guys, so go ahead and check that in the description if this vac mop seems right for you. And we will see you in our next video. Bye for now.